acting, lot of verbal things, motivation speech, listening videos will not solve the thing. You have to act. I will just recently share my own experience on 21st February, on 13th February, sorry, on 13th February this 2020, I have been registered for CRSP exam, and I went also and I given my exam. And from last October 2019, every day I prepare a schedule that I will study CRSP blueprint. I will study CRSP blueprint, but I haven't done. And last 1 week when left, I have studied and I have acted on it. But that act has not given me success and I fail. So I don't have any shame to share that I fail, because sharing why we should share our failure, that I will explain you in next slide, because we have listened all our life that we should not share our failures, we should share our success. No, we should share our failure and success automatically comes. So we will see in next slide, when we do this need assessment, when we know how organization can support us, when we know their need. Let me go to this. And once you do this, you will achieve all safety goals. This is Walid, can you just, okay. So now we will see innovation with available resources. This is one of the example of that site only, where I am saying that district cooling plant. So all mission of safety officer, that the guy has went on site, he finds the hazard and it's critical. See, he only not find the hazard that if you will see over here, the cables have been mingled with steel reinforcement, in reinforcement steel. One scratch can electrocute all and then finish. Kalas. We don't have anything, nobody. And it's, if you will see, it's a very recent photo. The date times has been also given. Then he has done a critical analysis. He identified the hazards. As if you will see, if you compare this, his objective is to protect people. His objective is to protect people here in next slide. And he identified the skill he need to do it. So he evaluated it. He critically think. It's very important. Please take a note. It's very important. Critically analysis. How we can do critical analysis? I will take back you to NEBOSH IGC. There is a control formula. IREC PD. Elimination, isolation, reduce, control, PPE, disciplinary action. He evaluate how can I remove it. He asked question to himself by writing in a paper that how can I remove it? How can I remove it? How can I remove it? How can I protect it? And then he come up with this solution, temporary. He taken some waste wood, he put it over there, and he put the cable from that side, and he let the work begin. Because if work will continue, salary will come. If work will continue, money will flow. If work will continue, society will be good. If we will be stuck on society, no, we are safety officer, we want this thing to be closed, it is not safe, and we are not giving a correct solution also, we are not a safety guy. Better we should leave this field and find something. This temporary solution gives another safety guy in my team an idea, and he created a stance also from all waste wood. Now when all this waste wood came, okay, and they have used this waste wood and created a cable stand, then they have presented also. Now, not only this thing that they have do it and just keep quiet, please mind my words, when you do anything good, even it is a small thing, please present it. Please present it. Please present it, because presentation is more important. Some of you till today or till the Walid has not sent the flyer out. Nobody knows Vipin Chhabra. Walid knows me because I joined EFICO and we work together. So a lot of people, once they see flyer, they are joining me in LinkedIn. They're trying to find that who is Vipin Chhabra. They're reviewing my profile. So that is what presentation means. Whatever you do good, please present. That presentation on first time, second time, third time, fourth time would be absolutely bad. I'm telling you. Till 20th presentation, you will be never good. But again, what I always quote, continuity make people master. And if you continue to make people bore, but if you still continue, you became master. And true master can lead. So that here I've just given something, a small brief, because once you do this small type of innovations and you will show this innovation to your management and make it in written form, because that things will help you in future. When you became HSE manager, when you will sit in my position or you will sitting in this chair and you will do these type of presentation, you will use your own life experience. Like why you, as I have written here, is when you do this innovation, you will get fulfillment feeling. That is what actually everybody need. That I am satisfied, you know. Job security, fulfilling and adding value to organization. You can proudly speak to your project manager that you have added value to organization and you have delivered your duty and make somebody's life safe. And then now we go to next slide. Please, I would request everybody in each slide, take a note in your paper of question answer. If time permits, I will answer everybody's question. If time don't permits, I would request Walid to share the slides with everybody. And then you have my email address also, you can note it. This is very important, guys. And I'm telling you, you can take it seriously. I believe everybody believes in God. I believe in Allah, I believe in Guru Nanak, and I believe somebody believe in Jesus. And I've just today, I'm also in fasting. So today morning I am reading some Quran. So in that I have read some part that Allah knows everything and Allah sent everything for the people who do good. I'm telling you, Walid has done good work, and all of you who has joined this session, I'm telling you again and again, this session, if you will, this slide, if you will understand clearly, 6 months to 1 year down the line, you will get what you want. Professional life, personal life, everything. So there is BMW SS model. This model is not my model. And this model has been given from the book, The Magic Thinking of Big by David J. Squatch. Okay. So you can read also this thing. He says in his book, which I always follow for my career, and if I became HSE manager, HSE head of the construction, if I handle team, I have impacted somebody's life. This happened because of this model only. Be a front seater. BMW SS is first is be a front seater. When I say be a front seater, it means take an opportunity, come front. See, if you get a criticism, you have to come front. If you get fulfillment, if you get job satisfaction, if you need a praise, you have to come front. A backbencher will never ever get if he keep his mouth shut. When I say backbencher, it doesn't mean that people who is sitting back and he will not get. People who don't participate, don't get distress of criticism. See, I have shared one photograph over here, small photograph, some few student is sitting and backside girl is speaking. He wants to raise his hand. See, the person who asks question will in a group of people and his question is being not good for that group of people, it doesn't mean that question is wrong. So if you will take some observations, hazard to your project manager, he don't acted on it, it doesn't mean you are wrong. It is just his opinion. There is, you might be knowing one of the, I just forgot, is it whether Denzel Washington or is it John Smith or somebody else? He has said one quote in his TED talk that somebody's opinion cannot change your life. So I am telling you to take note of this. Be a front seater. Don't think of criticism. Criticism only comes when you do something. If you just keep quiet and hide behind backs, you will not get benefit and you will not get criticism also, and you will be unknown. So be a front seater and always come in front and do the things like Abdul Wahid has done. Abdul Wahid has created this good forum of HSE Africa, and now a lot of people are getting benefit out of it. He is a front seater. Whenever we meet in some conversation, he comes to me, we greet each other. He's a front seater. I required some help from his company. I call him, he supports me. even though we haven't exchanged till now any contract, but he's a front seater. He gives an opportunity. He looks adding value to an organization. Second most important thing is make an eye contact. Whenever you talk to somebody, make an eye contact. Because when you talk by seeing in his eyes, you are a true person. You gives feeling. Now, it doesn't, I don't want to say that if somebody could not able to see here and there, it doesn't mean he's lying. But it's a scientific study. If somebody is not making an eye contact and speaking, almost maximum cases he is lying. Now, as we are scared, we don't do this again. So I will give you a tip. Now, when you go for an interview, when you talk to your project manager, when you talk to your girlfriends or anybody where you want to speak, if you could not able to make an eye contact in starting stages, but you are truth, again, I will repeat my word. If you could not able to make an eye contact, but you are a true people and you are speaking truth, because it happens sometimes, then try to see hair. If you see somebody's hair, you will speak by seeing in the middle of his nose, whatever you want to speak, which is true and genuine, other people will see that you are seeing in his eyes. It's very good and nice tip. Again, it is given in the Magic Thinking of Big Book, and this will help you crack the interview. This is the key to crack the interview, because that will give you a confidence, along with something which I'm going to say for an interview tips. Now, walk 25% faster. Now, whenever we walk on site, I believe a lot of African guys I have seen in my team. Also, there are 4 African guys. Some are from Nigeria. One is from Cameroon. One is from South Africa also. So they also walk little faster, bricks walking. Now, it's a scientifically proven when you bricks walk, your heart pump rate increase. So when your heart pump rate increase, what actually it does? It flow the bloods. When it flow the bloods in your body, it also flow the blood to your brain. So when it goes to the brain, if you can get a time to study a little bit in YouTube about neuroscience, you will see in 1 second, 1 point some billions times it clicks. So that happens because of blood flow. That is scientifically reason. So when it goes to your mind and blood flows, you will get ideas. If you will see a backside this slide, this time if you will see 1939, he has identified the hazard, guys. It's very important. Identify the hazard on 1929 and in 10 minutes time. And in half an hour, he came up with solution over here in 1 minute before to 8. In half an hour time, or I would say 20 minutes time, he come up with solution. This happened because his mind is working. His mind is working, and his mind is working because he's walking 25% safer, walking 25% faster. When we walk fast, we have a bricks walking, blood circulate, and we feel energetic. Second important thing is when you walk fast, you look important. People will not call you for a gossip. People will not call you, let's chat, let's talk about politics, what is happening back in world, what Trump is doing, what Pakistan is doing, what India is doing, what our politicians are doing. No, you will not get time. Somebody has says very good thing, that the people who make Lamborghini don't have television in his home, because he wants to come in television, not bring television in his home. So if you walk 25% faster, you look energetic. Here, can you please pause your yeah. So please hello. Okay. So now second is speak up. In BMW, be a front seater, make eye contact, walk 25%, and then speak up. Speak up again is similarly to be a front seater. Don't be shy what you say. Don't be shy what you say, because you are saying. There are many people who has good idea and they never say anything. I will share one small quick story with you. There was a couple and they love each other. One day, husband bring a parrot, a good parrot, which you can, parrot means a good, I can say good hen. He bring to his home and keep it in kitchen, and he left for his job, and he thought that when my wife will come, I will give him surprise. Okay. So wife came, and then wife see a chicken over here, a good chicken. Then he cut a chicken and cook a chicken and he make a chicken. And then when evening husband came back, he given him to eat. Then husband tell, I bring a gift for you. Have you seen that? He tell, what gift? He tell, I bring a good chicken for you. He speaks. That chicken speaks. He tell, chicken never speaks. So I cut it. So better speak up before you've been cut. Don't be shy. Don't feel that, okay, I cannot speak. He knows Hindi or he knows English. He in the workforce, they are more. No, you can speak. That is your opinion. Giving opinion is nothing wrong. But speak genuinely. Just not verbal gossiping. Nothing. Not like that talking. Speak. Break your silence. I am sitting and speaking to you. The first time when I have given a public speak, I am too much scared. How can I face people? How can I face camera? I'm too much scared, but I speak. That happened. Now, whenever I go for a board of director meetings with Worky Foundation and James Dim, they tells Mr. Chhabra, if you don't speak, meeting will not over. So better you speak something. So this change can come in your life when you speak. Smile genuinely. So when I say smile genuinely, not give no. Smile genuinely. Smile in such a way that your teeth can be visible, and that smile should be genuine smile. Because if you give small smile, it could react badly. So better smile genuinely. Open heart for everybody and smile genuinely. Support people. If you do mistake, smile and say sorry. There's nothing wrong in it. Accepting mistake is also a key to success. That is about BMW SS model. If you follow all these things, be a front seater, apply for a job, make eye contact, give interviews, walk 25% faster, speak about what you think, and you smile genuinely, you will get all the success what you want. Now, to implement BMW SS, you need EPMI. Now, when I say EPMI, this is what Vipin Chhabra's 15-year gift. I can say you in today that this is what Vipin Chhabra is. This is what my life is. Evaluate yourself and work every day. You have not done today any work. People are sleeping in the home, seeing Facebook. Nothing wrong in it. You people might get shocked what Chhabra sir is saying. Yes, I am saying correct. There is nothing wrong in watching Facebook. But there is wrong if you are not evaluating it. I always tell to a lot of my safety guys, whenever I goes to site, they says that sir, sorry, we are watching Facebook, we are seeing YouTube, we're not gone to site. I tell it's okay. As far as you know that what you are doing is good for you, do it. Evaluate yourself means evaluate yourself. Now, there is one guy who can see Facebook by becoming a member of IOSH Qatar or IOSH and read some article and learn the things. That is also good because social media is adding a value to your life. So please evaluate yourself. One day you not do anything, no problem. I will try to, I don't know whether I can share a screen with you here or not, but I will try to show this. If you can see my mobile, I don't know whether this you can see it or no. I don't know. Oh, camera, it's not coming. I'm sorry. In my mobile, the front screen, I have make a note, and every day in the night, what I do is I make 10-15 points of what I have done, and in my own English. Maybe I make XYZ something which I can know only. I make it, and 10 points what I should do it tomorrow. And every day I have started doing this. Almost 5-6 years, almost I am doing it, evaluating it sometime before I write in pen. And then I am starting in my mobile. And I'm telling you guys, I have dramatic changes. I have started with 10 points every day, and few months I don't even achieve more than 3 points. But now every day I achieve 5 points. So I increased by 2 in last 2 years. I'm not denying it's all truth, you know. You can also start doing it and you can get benefit. So evaluate yourself every day. What I have done today, it's very minor. Today I just gone to take a shawarma outside. That okay, I'm not do anything. Okay, write it. Because when you open the book and when you sit alone and you analyze yourself, you will see that 8 hours I have wasted. Let me just open the book and sleep. You will open a book of Nebosh and you will sleep. Then you will tell, okay, a lot of thing I have came in visit visa. I have to apply 5 job minimum. You have not applied. You have applied 1. You have not applied also. The next day you will find, you read your book. I have not applied. Let me do it genuinely. I have to prepare a report. I haven't